Hello everyone. Myself M. Subhaprada, Assistant Professor, Mechatronics Department, MAM School of Engineering. Here we are going to see about the entrepreneurship development subject. In that we are going to see about the unit 1. So the unit 1 is we are going to see about the entrepreneurship. So in this presentation we are going to see what is entrepreneurship, what are the fields have been occur for the entrepreneurship, and what is intrapreneurship. Next we have going to explain the difference between the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurship, then characteristics of the entrepreneurships. All these things we are going to see one by one. First thing, here what is the entrepreneurship versus intrapreneurs. So entrepreneurs means that is the person who has undertakes the business venture by combining the resource for production of goods and services and selling them to earn a profit. So entrepreneur is a person who has been already started an enterprise or in the process of starting an enterprise. Okay, so it is the people that will notice the opportunities which would take the initiative in the resources to make the new goods and services. So next is the intrapreneurship. So intrapreneurship means that is it is the people to notice that the opportunities will take initiative to mobilize the resource persons. So they will work in together in a large companies and contribute their introduction in their particular firms. So intrapreneurship will always becomes an entrepreneur. So next is the intrapreneurship. So learning about the intrapreneurship is that we have to encourage the entrepreneurship levels. So this will becomes that is most of the organization has been forming the following forms. That is the production of the peoples who will take the ownership of the product, and next they will provide the methods of concept of the markets. Next scanning of the entrepreneurs will kept separate from the rest of the organizations. Next thing will be the new effects of the products will be allows a division to act as its own smaller company. It will review their link, that is to innovation by the workers to value the rewards in the intrapreneurship. So who are the entrepreneurs? So there will be the common traits as well as the common traits of the entrepreneurs. So the original thinkers who have think about the particular work is called the entrepreneurs, and the risk takers then they will take the responsibility for their own actions. Then they will feel the competent and capable of the entrepreneurs, set high goals, and they will enjoy on working towards their peoples. Self-employed parents, next first-born baby, that is between the 30 to 50 years old, all will be have the one of the goal to reach their destination level by becoming as a entrepreneur. Well educated, that is 80% of peoples will have a college degree, and how 1/3 of the peoples will have a graduate level degree. All will become an entrepreneurs in nowadays in the coming world. What are the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs? The successful entrepreneurs are innovative and themselves in they have to create themselves in new markets, new products, new process, new delivery. Everything will be here comes under the successful entrepreneurs. Unsuccessful entrepreneurs are that they will be here of having the poor managers, low work ethic, inefficient, failure to plan and prepare their works. They always having the poor money managers. So these all things comes under the unsuccessful entrepreneurs. What are the characteristics of the entrepreneurs? Let me see about the characteristics. So the first thing will be the key personal attributes. So it means that we should be the personal attributes. That is, it should provides the particular entrepreneurship developments. So most of them as the attributed levels that will be more predictable to their particular roles. So this will be happens in the key personal attributes. Next thing will be the strong managerial competencies. When you are in a company means you have to enroll your managerial roles. So that will be leads to your to become a successful entrepreneur. And the last thing will be you should have a good technical skills. When you should have a good technical skills, then you can teach some others to become a successful entrepreneur. So these are the main three characteristics to become a successful entrepreneur. So next thing will be what is entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur means one who organizes, manages and assumes the risk of the business or enterprises. So most of the entrepreneur will be organizing that it is an action which should be oriented highly motivational individual with a strong desire to be the successful who take a risk to achieve the goals. So most of the entrepreneur is a individual responsible for the operation of business, which includes choice of the product, mobilization of resources, decision, prices, market, employment of labor, extending or reducing the scope of his business. These all things will be comes under the entrepreneur. Next is the inventor. What do you mean by inventor? So the inventor will be comes with the ideas, that is the new ideas, not even it should be in a market. So they will provide the new products and new services. For example, for the inventors we can say that is Thomas Edison Alva. He has invented the new things that will become a new product. No one has introduced that before the Thomas Edison Alva. Likewise Alexander Graham Bell telephone. So Eli Whitney, so Benjamin Franklin, Henry Ford, James Naismith, all these peoples will create their new ideas and new products into the market, and that will be leads into the inventor of the products. This is the history of the issues in the 9th annual special, that is in the Times, that is Thomas Edison who has invented the bulb. So he has invented the bulb in how that one powerful idea will be change the America. So this will becomes a meaningful idea. So inside his idea factory, he has relevant ideas in that manner. So this will be leads to the following persons. Innovator. So innovator means that they have to take the already their invention has been placed in a market. In that part they will take some new ideas and involve their ideas in that product and change some of the aspects. So that will be known as the innovator. So that is, it will take the existing products or services and changes some of the aspects of them, such as the features, size or pricing. Everything in that is called as a. So the innovators are here. They have such features, that is the size, pricing, then aspects of some of the things that will be denoted by the innovators. For example, internet, weapons, money, all things will be comes under the innovators. Next thing will be the marketing entrepreneurs. So they do not change the product itself, but rather the way the product is perceived by the consumers is marketing entrepreneurs. they will change their product and deliver the product to the marketing places. So that is the Burger King will create the left-handed Whopper. So these all things will be comes under the marketing entrepreneurs. It will produce the consumers more to prescribe their product in a particular way. Next, the concept of the entrepreneurs. So what are the concepts we are going to see about this? Is the definition, nature of the characteristics of the entrepreneurs. So that is they will have the characteristics main thing, and they should be working as a profile of the entrepreneurs. Then there will be the types of entrepreneurs, intrapreneur, functions of the entrepreneur, and the entrepreneur and the manager distinctions. All things will be the concepts of the entrepreneurship of development. First, we are going to see about the definition, nature, and characteristics of the entrepreneur. So, the word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, so which means to undertake the position. So, in early days of 16th century, the Frenchmen who has organized and led the military expeditions that were referred to as the entrepreneur. After 1700, the term was applied to the other types of adventures, which is mainly civil engineering like constructions of roads, etc. So this will lead to the entrepreneurship. So here is that blessed with mental ability, human relation ability, communication ability, decision making, business planning, venture capitalist, visionary, entrepreneur make significant differences, ability to spot and exploit the opportunities, courage to face the advertisers, and also the leadership, which has an essential trait of the entrepreneurs. These all things will be belongs to the entrepreneurship development. Next is the manager versus leader. So here the managers means they will administer the company, and they will be having the copy of the company organization. So they will maintain the organization, and they focuses on the systems and structures whatever else followed in the company. So they will rely on the control and have a short range of view, ask how and when where the managers will work for a particular area. So it is having the eye on the bottom line, and it should be imitates the persons. They will accept the status of queue, and having the classic good soldiers does the things right. And for the leaders, it will be innovatives. They had an original peoples, and they will develop their leadership qualities, focus on most of the peoples, and they will inspire their trust who have been they have worked under the organization. They will have a long range perspective and ask what and why we are going for this leadership manner. Then eye on the horizon and will originate the level, challenges the status quo, own the person, and also does the right thing whatever else had been occurred. Working profile of an entrepreneur. So that is the working profile of the entrepreneurs are of characteristics as well as traits. So first, the characteristics is self-confidence. It means that the confidence level and independence, optimism and individuality. Drive means it should be a responsibility, vigor, initiative, persistence and ambition. Task result oriented, that is need for their achievement, and profit oriented. They will have the grown up energy. Risk taker, so risk taking ability that will likes the challenges. Next, mental ability, it means that overall intelligence, creative thinking, analytical thinking ability. Leadership, so leadership behavior gets along with others, responsive to situations, criticism. Everything will becomes under the traits. and human relation ability. So that means emotional stability, healthy personal relations, sociability, tractfulness, considerations, originality. So it means that you are going to say give traits on innovative, creative, resourceful and knowledge. Next is the communication ability, that is perceptive, foresight, future oriented. Everything will be comes under the traits of the entrepreneurship development. So these are the working profiles of the entrepreneurs within their characteristics and traits.